What's going on? It's your boy Luke Man coming back your way again. It's another lovely week and I hope that you are gonna make this the best week ever. Okay, so in this video I'm gonna be sharing with you a strategy that's kind of a follow-up to my last video where I broke down what kind of metrics you should be looking for when you're running ad, especially on Facebook. All right, in this video I'm going to show you two bidding strategies that I found are very important, especially if you're about to run traffic to benefit from the crowd and the rush of this fourth quarter of the year. So I'm going to show you these two bid strategies, and for the most part it's kind of an advanced and anyone can use it. Does not matter what level you are, because it works just for everybody. So before I show you this though, the last time I shared with you a free PDF where I detailed a case study of how we were able to turn penny into profit using some very specific Facebook ad strategy. And of course I've included the link below to that PDF. Go ahead, click on that link, get the PDF, and you also going to be invited for free into my inner circle of unlimited traffic, funnel, and conversion. Those are the three key ingredients you need to make it online or even offline. You know, traffic, funnel, and conversion. Once you click on the link below, you're going to be taken to the place where you put in your email. I'm going to send you the PDF, and of course you're going to have free invitation to my unlimited traffic, funnel, and conversion mastermind. But before that though, let me go ahead and show you this bidding strategy that I talked to you guys about. So we're over here in my ad account, and of course you guys must be familiar with this by now. This is actually just, you know, you set your campaign. The bidding strategy is not set at the, well, you can set at the campaign level, but you can also set these particular rule at your ad set level. All right, so we're gonna skip all of this because you guys already know all of that. So let's come down to your ad set, and particularly we come into the budget and schedule. When you come to your budget and schedule, and now these are the two kind of ad strategy that I want to talk to you guys about, right? Depending on what you are optimizing for, and it really doesn't matter, but you can set that bidding strategies right here. So this one is called cost cap, and the other one is called bid cap. So what is the difference between these two bidding strategy? All right, the cost cap really is saying, and of course each of them will tell you that best for getting the most volume. This one is talking about best for controlling bids in the auction. I'll tell you guys, I'll explain it to you guys, and I'll let you guys know which one I really prefer. Right, so cost cap is really saying, say for instance, and you run an ad, and of course you know your AOV, which is your average order value, because with which is cost per acquisition, right, or cost per, you know, ad pay, or whatever you want to call it, right? So that's just means basically that this is how much you want to give Facebook to give you a particular conversion. So let's say for instance our CPA is $25, and we want, for every customer that we're able to convert, we want to pay $25. If we choose the cost cap, all right, and let's assume we choose our, you know, budget over here to be our daily budget over here to be, say, $30, right? And we're doing the cost cap. So that simply means that Facebook will go into the auction, you know, bid for lead for you, and each bid will not come in at the same amount. What I'm trying to say is this. So let's say you want your CPA to be $25, and you using the cost cap, you might get a conversion that is just $10, all right, and you might get another conversion that is going to be $40. Now in this point you've gotten two conversions, and they both even out to be 25 because you specified that you want your CPA to be $25. So you might get one that is low, you get another one that is high. And if you're not someone who has a deep pocket and you're doing a lot of volume, this can, you know, this can kind of throw you off a little bit, and it can also throw you off. It can also throw off your budget if care is not taken. So it's usually for those big brand that have enough money to spend. I mean, eventually it's still gonna even out to be the same thing. But if your CPA is $50, for instance, and someone is coming in at $10, another one might go ahead and come in for $40. So it's just trying to even out the price that you're paying for each conversion. Unlike bid cap. Bid cap is just saying, okay, so this is my CPA. My CPA is $10. Facebook, give me customer for $10, and I do not want to spend more than $10. This allows you to control your budget way better than cost cap. Like I said, cost cap is powerful, it's awesome if you want volume, and of course you have your data, you understand your data to some certain extent, and you understand your data to a point whereby at the end of the day you can actually nail it down and see how much you're spending, you know, on average, because this will just average out whatever, you know, the CPA or the cost per lead comes in. Is not going to be the same for each of them, but it will still even out to be the same thing at the end of the day, which again, if you do not have someone, you know, putting your data together for you, you don't have the time or the patience or the knowledge to understand how this works, it may throw you off. So for that reason, if you have small budget, you might just want to go with BitCap, where you're just going to say, okay, so I'm spending $10, $20 a day, and I'm going to do the BitCap. All right, I don't want it to be more than $5, right? So I'll say I want a bid cap, and I do not want it to be more than $5 for each and every bid. So this allows you to really control your budget. I hope you guys understand it, and if you don't understand it, just go ahead, just send me a message below, and of course I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Again, is a cost cap, gives you volume, but eventually the price or the amount that you're paying is going to be even out, but each conversion or lead will not come in at the same price. But for BitCap, each conversion or lead will come in at the same price, which will be the price that you've set. If you're doing $10 a day and you say, well, I want each lead, I do not want it to be more than $5. That means you're going to get about 4 of them in a day, and you can easily look at your data and say, okay, so I get 4 leads and it cost me just $20, you know, to get those 4 leads. And that's just as simple as that's just how simple it is. All right, if you still have questions, go ahead and send me a message below, and I'll be more than happy to help you. All right, well, you guys have a lovely week, and keep selling before you're sold. All right, and that's all about it with as far as a BitCap and of course the cost cap is concerned. If you still have questions, like I told you in that video, go ahead and send me a message below, and do not forget to subscribe to this channel and give me that like. You know, come on, man, be nice and be nice to you. I'm over here, I should be working, taking a break, doing this video for you. Just hit that like button and subscribe to this channel, so when I drop more videos, you guys already done so, go ahead and subscribe to this channel and hit the like button. Hey, I mean, that's the best you can do right now, and I really do appreciate that. All right, and do not forget, if you have not gotten my previous video, I shared with you a particular strategy that we used to turn penny into profit using only Facebook ad, where we're able to go from just $1,000 to about $500,000 within 6 to 7 months. And I detailed each and every step of this strategy in the free PDF that is attached to the bottom of this video. So click on it, you're going to be taken to a page where you will put your email where you want me to send that PDF to you. And along with that, you're also going to get a free admission into my private group, which is the group where we talk about unlimited traffic, funnel, and conversion. And again, those are the only 3 things you need to make it online and offline. And in that group, we discuss these in details. And of course, sometimes I may be nice, I give out free funnels as well as some customized code that help you optimize your funnel and of course maximize your profit. So again, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and of course I'm gonna see you in the group. Click on the link below, get that free PDF, come on in the group. Let's talk funnel, let's talk traffic, and of course let's talk conversion. Until next time, I'm going to be coming your way. If you have questions, hit me up, and of course I'll be more than happy to answer your question. Adios.